Hey guys, here's a quick install to improve the look of your rear wheels. First step to installing the wheel well liners for the rear end is putting a clip right in there and a clip right in there. Next, you make sure you have the right side. This one is designated as driver's side, DS, and then you just manipulate this through by working it up and under, like so. Rotate like that. Then you will tuck it under, and then once you tuck it under, you start the screws that you just put right there and there, and then the next step is you will add the other two retainer screws, which I will show you next. Okay, so now that I snugged it all in underneath everywhere, pushed it down back behind here and back behind there, now we're ready to put these two in like that and start. Now we don't want to tighten them all the way because we still might need to manipulate this a little bit to line up the other two. So the other two screws for the liners are at the very bottom here, and from underneath you got to push and manipulate it a little bit to get it, and then you put that piece on the back of it, and then you hand tighten it down and use it as a washer. So now I'm ready to snug all four up, and that's done. I'll do the other side, but it's basically the same thing. Alright, there's the finished product. Now you don't see the different components, the different color bed to frame. It's just all nice solid black.